The Great Lodge. That's where we gotta go. Yeah. You didn't want to listen? That may not be our biggest problem right now.
Get back to your sister. You must hold back Ragnarok. This fight is mine.
But if I could just...
Take Atreus and the mask and do not look back. My son trusts you, so I trust you. Stay away from her! I am done with you and your son! No more fucking games! And this time, I'm allowed to kill you. We do not need to do this! We do! It's what we are! Is that it? I can take... Can you? Won't be enough!
Thor! The life needs to be give change! Prove it and stop it!
Talking's over! Wait and die!
You're what the All-Father made you! You can choose to...
You all!
Stay in control of it, brother!
I know!
Don't think for yourself for once! The family's falling apart!
Enough! Don't act like you know! You attack my daughter! No! I did not! You bring this to my home! To my family! If this is the end, you'll die first, then your kid. One of us dies today! Won't be me!
Thor! This isn't what through...
Keep her name out of your damn mouth! Everything was fine before Loki showed up! He almost convinced me! Had me believing things could change! Thor! Listen to me! You have nothing I want to hear! for? Your daughter. My son calls her friend. If you try to hurt her... I would not. Don't you know what I've done? Yes! But what will you do now? We don't change. Or destroy us. No more. No more. For the sake of our children, we must be better.
Why isn't he dead? Are you talking? Who told you to do that? You don't talk! You don't think! I think you kill! It's a simple fucking concept!
Sif was right about you. I just didn't want to see it.
What is this? Are you broken? I am your father. Take the hammer and kill who I tell you to kill!
No.
I didn't want this. I did not want this. Dude, this was all their fault. They've done this to us, to our family. Looks like I gotta do everything around here.
You're over, son! You planned on it! What?
You're gonna be fine. I saved her. And Thor, that one's on you. You turned him against me. You turned them all against me.
Odin, please! We can stop this!
You can stop this. Just give me my map.
Sure! Trust you! Sounds like a great idea! What's your right?
And you just can't help yourself. Destroyer. That's all you are. All you'll ever be.
You started this fight!
No, no, no! This all started long before you showed up. You are a nobody. A plague, god, killer. This is what you wanted, right? No more! I don't believe this. let it end this way.
Was this everything you hoped for? Was your plan really all that much better than mine? I hope you got exactly what you want.
Not quite yet. Think you're the only one who can craft a binding spell? I spent many long winters thinking about what I would say to you as I watched you take your last breath. But now, I realize there's only one thing I need you to know. You have no hold on me anymore!
That's my frig. I forgot how good you look with wings.
Oh, husband. You always sought knowledge well. Now, I'm going to teach you what it's like to lose everything. Bow to your queen!
I always loved you, you know.
You've never loved anyone!
Father? Freya?
You did it, Loki. No. No more fighting. No. None of that matters now. This is your moment, Loki. Groa tried to hide you from me, but this is your destiny. Champion of the Jotnar. Only he can put on the mask. Only he can gaze into the truth of creation. Unfold the secrets of life and death. No more doubt, no more confusion. You were born for this. Put on the mask, Loki. Ask it the question.
This is your choice, son. I trust you.
did you do that? What was it all for? You choose to be nothing!
So be it.
You've waited a long time for this, haven't you, Fritz? So have I!
Too late for that! Got it!
Three against one. And
Don't forget me, old fucker!
what did you call me?
That one was wrong!
Let's go!
Got it! Got it!
Don't get it! You've ruined everything! Everything I've worked for! Everything I've killed for! I just wanted answers!
Use your arrow.
I got it!
If you just played your part, none of this would have happened! What was it all for? Answer me, Loki! What's it all for?
Your arrow.
Got it!
You and your little vine.
Got it!
This was our chance, Loki. I could have had my answers. I could have learned the truth. You took that away from me. I could have made things better. We could have made the 9 realms better.
This was never about the realms, or me. It was about you!
You destroyed everything. My home, my family, my kingdom!
You did those things! Your choices! You killed your own son!
It wasn't my choice. I had no choice.
There's always a choice! You have to stop. You can choose to be better.
No, I can't. I have to know what happens next. I will never stop.
Why'd you have to say that? Sofna. Apfra. Tesu. Sofna. Heithan. Sofna. 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 What do we do with him?
I swore I would never rob from you the choice between life and death.
I have waited so long for this moment. And now that I'm here, I don't need this to make me whole.
We stopped his madness. That's all that matters.
That's what comes next.
It's Ragnarok. He's here. Time to go.
Go where exactly?
Need an exit?
How?
It's giant stuff. Okay, follow me, quickly.
Not. You have to go.
Hurry up! It's time.